Let's look at how you can make a partial payment in the system. In the menu Cash Income Orders, we have 3 cash income orders from a buyer to with amount of money to 15 and 10 jewelry. Now let's look at these orders in the menu Payment Analysis. Let's hide the taskbar. We can see all of these payments on the right side, which means that they aren't yet linked to the corresponding supply operation. Now let's link all 3 of these payments to this operation. So this supply has been covered. However, as you can see here, total paid amount is 27 jewelry, although there was only 22 lari to be paid. So this supply was overpaid, but we can correct any of this amount in the field paid amount. Let's take, for example, the last record and change it in such a way that we can pay 5 lari less. As you can see now, this supply is covered and we still have 5 lari left, which can be used in other supply operations. The system will save this corrected amount, so we'll be able to see this value next time we enter this form. And by the way, remaining 5 lari paid by buyer 2 can be used not only in supply operation, which is linked to this debtor creditor, but also in other supply operations, because there are cases when one debtor pays for another. So we can link this cash income order to the supply operation of another debtor creditor. Let's drag this record and drop to this supply operation, and we should specify available amount 5 lari in this case. So as you can see, we have one payment linked to different supply operations.